This tail fairing on my bike has been cracked as long as I've had it. I'm gonna finally fix it with this plastic repair kit I got on Amazon for 40 bucks. Came with a bunch of metal clips, some plastic. The force tells me that these ones are gonna work the best. You put it in the prongs, hold the button in and it heats up. Oh, look at it, it's red hot if I keep going. I probably don't need it that hot. Alright, let's see how it goes. Wait a second for it to cool. Went a little deep. We'll make sure not to do that again. Alright, now I can probably do this one-handed and stitch it all the way up. Looks decent. I need to cut all those prongs off though. There we go. We removed the danger. The kit has this soldering iron spatula thing, so we'll heat this up and see if we can smooth this out enough to make it look good. This is probably really awesome to be standing over this smoke. Hard plastic's good for your lungs. It actually came with this bag of sticks of material, which there happens to be a nice orange one in there that's a pretty good match. Oh yeah, smooth and melty. Well, sat there ironing it for a while, melted that whole stick of orange on there. Doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't look cracked anymore. Not too bad. We won't see that part anyway. Not that that looks fantastic. It looks better than it did.